Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to math activity number 2 for the day. We are still talking about taller and shorter. So the first thing you're going to do is click the microphone button, and the directions say trace the taller line in red. So I'm going to come get my red marker, and I'm going to decide in this first box which line is taller. So I'm going to compare them. Yep, it looks like that first one is taller, so I'm going to trace it in red. And then it says trace the shorter line in blue. So I'm going to get my blue. So if that one, the first one's taller, the second one is shorter. Then I'm going to come back to red. I'm going to compare the next two lines. Which one is taller? Because taller is red. Looks like the second one is taller, so I'm going to trace that in red. And that makes the first one shorter, so that one's going to be in blue. So you're going to do that for all these boxes. Then over here, I'm going to follow this black arrow. It says color the item or color the taller item red. So I'm going to compare the two trees. Looks like the second one is taller, so I'm going to color the second one red. Never really seen that red of a tree before. And then color the shorter one blue. Well, I've definitely never seen a blue tree, except for maybe Christmas, one that has blue Christmas lights. But that's the directions, so I gotta follow the directions. And then I'm going to compare the next two sets of items, coloring the taller one red, the shorter one blue. When I'm done, click the green check mark to send it to your teacher.